Adashima promo to Yamamina mo Hanan Subiam Yatanase. And some big yes and Polo Yatanase. Naya self for Penny was some project Yamayan and then show ya Baba Kankai. A mamma conso at the Amawo. Na and somewhere debano and any money bini. Another dear Rashoja forecast certain now one more quadria. And VP Amanyokoya, one more Rashoja fear, one more man, I'm shrinty speaker, was answer to a dear debut.
Eno na yewura to ba force na otua chineyefo ano e wo badwafie hodi atodwa se NPP fo nya sisifia ni bito no wo momra parliament
na yabako ansanfoframu na yakwa akwohwe na sebre ya yakasai no electoral commission wadane a kiredi ntweromoma yerebato aba no de bronika se photocopy no wadane bi achi adiama amanyoku ahodo ye wo magana mu na NPP ni NDC wo makasa adiafa ho
na Ghana mampani akasa se mampani ayehia no enye de na no ensisi so enne wasise wo kina sei na wo ka ade akire yewura mahama
sanso anai Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de atudwa o menhia no tabato peso so akire se nyame ya dom no baba mampani no bawa se Airport City yebenya bi e wo menhia north
uduru twifo heman a mampani akwa homam ni nyina ya apadi office chenchire bi a wasidi ama wo no
ebeka wenu ho ne yaboabo ne nyina no de be som cloud internet aka ho bi anaso 21st clinic say wo sciatica expert anu akire kra no impro service ade wutu kwan China memo na so dwumade ne yakwa kodie ama ran fisa through herbal center what the 3 core capsules atayechi ana mizo ana 5G yadamo asedamwase express group nie so person ko Canada US ne bia espresso Sompa chade abusuan ya fa hogem wate na nhira ya ekotwi ko braman no ebi enson so were nymakwa wo dobre pam ya baka warmo sempa de akyerewo asonfo no ya banu ne atena se nemum hyene so ai sayadamo live Facebook and auf YouTube akosuya ajewa kwade boaten animedin awiemene
triple A mai ajapia apam dada
afei ansam no ne nchemu ankasa enie another dear Rashoja for certain sani enimu sanano da Speaker of Parliament wato Rashoja fiemu no nese nemu nsem kan wakwa bibia wo pa e kan wo bi ama NPP amanyoko ye enim se wo me yadom kese e wo Rashoja fie no tro ka tare koma speaker ya na won mo hwese nneoma pinu ho no mo akachi e wo Rashoja fie na nsunti no wo mo hwese sane e baye na ne kire yada no won bakeka wo mo ho na won masanso afrem Rashoja fo biem anokwa Speaker of Parliament ade ose ye ojo ama wo bu nkonta no abu asra na na se enada dua yi ana ebetumi aboa na Abraham Rashoja fo kopie mu e wo Rashoja fie eya Accra International Conference Center no abusua pani ko hwai NDC amanyoko no a yenim se dadada nyina wo mo ayedom kuma e wo Rashoja fie no wo mo koya dom kase na konwam ana wo mo akwa tenatena wo mo kire se nanu ada speaker sam wo kan ye sam konwa nan wada ne nyina abutuo no wo mo dom da so de ye adwuma pa aka obi ma NPP amanyoko no so one man sim Rashoja fie o kire se NDC aso on betena majority side dia ena na wo mo ne enko biem na ebra Speaker of Parliament yera Alban Smana Babin wo ba piem wo Rashoja fie na sa kan NDC fo enti wade atodwa akire se nyame anim no kwasem ni wade MPP mu hwamo yie papa so no panyina tese no na matworo krata de abra no se enioma pi no ya ka akire enti wo momra no mama tena se na won mo baaya mo MPP fo no kra bo mo nsa ni Rashoja fie honom enam so nti ne na pam no twam no eno ana wache no watu Rashoja fie no wasa hyeda biem ya enim da potia obesanso afre Speaker Yera Alban Sumana Babin
case of the provisions of the Constitution to issue the summons for you to be here today, and I duly complied with the constitutional provision and got the administration to get the summons published to the notice of all of you. Unfortunately, the signatories who made the request have not shown up, and therefore matters that they wanted us to handle, which are admitted for the consideration of the business committee, are not on the order paper, and in fact, there's no order paper for today because the business committee could not meet due to the absence of the people who requested for the recall. And as you can see, one side of the house is completely empty. In view of this, we have, as usual, got a quorum to sit, but we have no business before us to transact, because the business committee, as you know, they prepare a report, and this report is adopted by the House as business agreed by the House to transact during the course of the week. In the absence of that, there is no other authority that can put business before you which you have not adopted to transact. In view of the failure of the business committee to sit, as a result of the refusal of those who requested for the recall to show up, we are compelled to once again adjourn the sitting of the House. Knowing the challenges we are facing, it is not advisable to be adjourning from day to day.
I was away. I Speaker of Parliament, no Yira Alban Sumana Babin, and then your course so much of the fee and na Yakuti Bino.
Na ewie no badwafo na ekwatena ase titru chiniyemma no pani a woda wo ma no yewura atoba afo senkesel na wono nso akasa se enne obubu bosom ne de etoso nson unya yi nso no firi mu akada duasa ne yekọ adaka mu akwakoto aba wo ka de akere Ghana fo se wosono ma enyo bia wo se yesoso wo mo sokora isan se wo mo nwene o man yeda ache ne yenka nkro ene yediedie ho isan se ne wo mo koye no anoma abapo ansi ho na se wo mo ansi ho no se nkayeye ne wo mo yade papa bi ebo mo yanka ha adwene wo mo na mo na mfidie gu ka mu wo sisi fia ne bi check ne personality no wo mo de nam no wo mo nyaye no na wo mo mra emedwene o man ho o badwa fie ho.
To show up at the business committee, I personally called the committee clerk and I was informed that she is out of the jurisdiction and no one has reached out to him to her to program the business of the day. I was worried and reached out also to the MPP side and to have an indication as to what their plan is. That requested for Parliament to be recalled failed to show up. Clearly have indeed caused financial loss to the state and to us, the NDC members of Parliament, and to the people of Ghana. We say this because these recalls cost Ghana money. This is not the first time that they have done this. They've done this a couple of times, but we see nothing than disrespect. We call on the people of Ghana to see the behavior of the MPP and punish them accordingly. They have certainly, everything shows that the MPP are tired, they are fed up, and they are not ready to work for the people. They are ready for the people. They are bereft of ideas and they are short of vision. They cannot solve the suffering of the people. All what they do out there during campaigns, in spite of the hardship, is to sing and dance osisikia. That's all what they do. In times like this, when the ordinary Ghanaian is struggling to survive.
No, ba no denia wodachini yemananwo ewo mrashe badwafie yero atoba forcing ene kasai ewie ya na yewura kwabena Tahiri Hammond keti Hammond nso kasai se won de won fa so bo mo bia o speaker no de bebo no isan se emra wo man yi court batan aka se nko won fa nya adwuma no na so den Bawumia.
Where they're supposed to be sitting. But you see, we have a convention. We have a convention. It's not argument nonsense. You guys are not listening. Supreme Court is speaking. It is not for us members of Parliament on the majority side to be arguing at any point. This is a matter. This is foreclosed. It is completely foreclosed. Supreme Court is speaking. That is the end of the matter.
The Speaker of Parliament says when it comes to sitting arrangement, that is not. He says we should come.
He said that anywhere constitutionally made a proclamation, whatever is that he said the last time. The Supreme Court has told him that he was wrong. Restore matters to what they were before you did that.
Line of action for the MPP.
Well, we will cite you for contempt. We will cite the Speaker for contempt. Watch the face. Yes, myself so many times. The Supreme Court is spoken. We want the decision of the Supreme Court to be respected.
Speaker acknowledged that
what?
of the Supreme Court.
And that what?
2 weeks ago. That he has been served with copies of the judgment of the Supreme Court.
And so what I said, it is not a question of acknowledgement. It's a question of implementation of the decision of the.
But no MPs, none of the 4 MPs have been blocked. But none of the 4 MPs have been blocked from coming to Parliament. None of them.
You are not listening. I think I'm going to have to say this for the last time because it looks like some of you have become impervious to what is it. Listen to this. This.
Yewra Kwabena Tahiri Hamon Katie Hamon na wote se wayere ne ho kasa no ade na ageta e obadwafie
ana na yankwae na ya ne man boni ya woto yankra frem asewdwafie na ya twitwe nkodi ankomo na ma han
meju so mini aba
sese wote se yankasa
mini ama menda wase mi akonya wodi ama mi awie se ne modika ba amane ne dida no ebra MPP amanyoko the petition based speaker say what the assistant action sensen and until my sebedan and summer be metnas in na ban you and sebia or mashes one so fear yo or frame na sebeda for the moment betnasi nanso minia a black speaker of Parliament Urban man Kingsford Baden or tnafe no see oh so me say the chamber you mo ya and this yamano kunkwa na oha MPP fu ni ha nanso woman na di petition maku mienu ma se bedani ofi akontombra ne nsa ne safie nanso se ya mu ni chamber ni mu die ane omu fo mu kolom so mu be business die nanso omu fo mu kolom so mu be take decision nti sa na tie dia ane asetena no wasama ne ho nso biem eto nkotwe de etwe na ebipam no won besa badiem na enemu na chese yeni anu MPP fo no enya omo ho ntiase ye enu ntime ni ukasa yi eyade a majority leader Alexander Fenomakin on the central for kasa ye bisa ne leader na ba ni se ne mama na osito na sama wo kama Ghana first ye nyina ne se ebia na sebedan pede mu no na wo mo ku se we na ye DC ni we na ye MPP ni no eyade speaker of Parliament oni peace council tnase oni elders of council tnase ama what the two speaker the two mani say one nuclear NDC as majority and no one speaker the two mu say wo ba be hwese so mu do chamber ni mu a NDC betena be bi omote na MPP betena be bi omote nanso onaba afanya ma kin say na wo ba ye no ankomisa nti wo so speaker na ti ko speaker asamu a woni peace council e kan ye no eba ni say na ye si ba chamber ye bedru ha NDC 40 ye konya so na si wo no de wo ye speaker enye ono na chiche seat ma MP nti onko hu clerk wo de wo tie yo okọ clerk ho ani clerk say nukure ni ewo musu wono na hihye nkonya emam na sebejafo di obeye MPP di obeye minority ndi obeye majority nanso no onka kire NDC amanyokuo ni se wo me no mo ye majority ento mo ko majority side ana se ene ya nso ye ko ye no omo ti onti na ne mo asem bia mo ko kan kire am clerk se wati te clerk de ko no ne o makoka ama o masori ama MPP fuatna makonya so no eno na sabre no anso a ama speaker san tu asetana no asensen bi
It says here na bropote be na obesan so abie what the two jasa.
Say ni de wan kase omo kwei omo beba nne anaso wotina. Na mom kosi safa ni enu beto omo ho ase. Ene doye minority ene doye majority ni. So omo nya antiase ni mayede a ene speaker nya recall house ni me.
Na Abraham Rashoja fie no speaker kasa wie ya. Wapon ya wo so bia so de kono hu na wo ne yesai andi siamayoko no afam wo no afrede won mate wo mu ase kakra se nyame ya dom na speaker sa afre bia mu a won bekwa na NPP so say
wo mo de omo se wo mo nti wo mo ma se de trese speaker of parliament akati su bia se enya de supreme court nsa na wo hye no no wo speaker obedi so enti wo mo no ba de speaker gina ene wo mu gina. So the nay almost discussing empo my so the phone na ye become seat vacant no. E be si neya e be si fiti dana speaker dike seat vacant no mu dia susu si temba ni mu ye. E which means so ma dia ton. So kaya ye no mu bi da kra dia. O mo be hu si and speaker dike seat ni vacant kra na MPT ni dia ani antum. Na so se be ya e na so the phone so so afiatena na almost so omo mane de me trese every for esusu said the speaker aye no eno aso no mu de omo gina
you
na so MPP for man yoko ni se ta nkonya ne de NDC for na so enyewe
nana me no wase ana obrewai awosiama de poni nana ya twitwe wono na to yankra efri ma shebodwo fie na sa na dodue ya ne akoso ewo ho no na wakyerɛ mu yi
aka deduasa na abato na nya duru so na abato komisa edema oman Ghana ma meje na dokwe mensa na wakasai efa dintwura hodo a wotwero ye ni nyina echi ene ballot papers a otintimu ye no de friend say detail report wo de ababonten na wo de kire se de ebre na wiedu akasa ekokoto aba de na chine ye mma wono mo hwehwe no wo ma ye ni nyina wie mfonso a na wo musu se wo mu no wo mo nso anya adaje e de ahweni wato wo mo hwena no awurawura mu a hunu de ese wo no mu hunu nyina yi afirim enti de aka no eho so nsabrobe ene wo de ba beto abonten nso chine ye ma se da wo mo te ase a enye yie ena mami kasa se 2019 wono mo yo saa e de ba beto abonten se biu se ohwe ye mira ne nchema mu kura firi 1992 ba di ntwira wo mo twiro bia de na chine ye mani abira wono mo hwehwe mu a de wo hwini wura mu akosi ase no ebi nye bi saada nenso enam se adwuma wo mo ye no periperi ye ne frenchem ewo mu nti ena wo mo de bibia die ama Ghana fo nso ehunu de ekọ nenso se wono mo kase wo mo nti bibia se a wo mo de hu sanya boto nam bi ena wo mo twa se beye na bibia ebekọ wano na gidie mapa Ghana fo wo mu no ebekọ so atena ho nti ena wo ma ye de wo ma wi.
So it is your request. It does not make the register not certified. And so it is, if you request that you want a summary, that's fine. But this is something we've been doing for since time immemorial. And we've not added summaries to it. And this is not the first time. In 2019, we gave out the soft copy of the register. In 2020, we gave out the soft copy of the register. In 2023, we gave out the soft copy of the register. And it did not have a summary. So the fact that there's no summary does not make it not certified. The register, as you see, as you have it, is a certified copy of the register. If you choose to return it, that's your prerogative. You can do so. And this is a request you are making. It is not binding in law. It is not binding in law. And this is something we've been doing since time immemorial. I believe from Mr. Tete and who have been here since 1992, they've never given a summary to anybody. So if it is your request today, that's fine.
Mami jena do kwemensa Ghana bato komisa titreni na atese ne wo kasa no ka binding law se mre bia nka nchechire wo mo na nso se de beye na fenchem ye ne periperi yo be yontira na wie na Dr. Tanko computer Rashid wono nso na eba chiniyemba no abato ho nsem a wahweso na wode tudwa chese de abato komisa ayere no ho ne techire maburu nanumu nyina wo kan no sebio eyoman ye democratia ya chini firi tetentre de no ena wo mo ede gro nkokofrede.
Is that how they certify register?
You just dump a pen, this and hard drive to us, 2 terabytes, and say that's a certified register. Have you seen the content of it? The last time they gave us a hard drive, we checked and there were almost 1,000 corrupted files. You saw it. They even said it. By the way, they are not generating missing voters list. What are they talking about? We are not going to accept this. You cannot force anything on her and say who is holding it. She is holding Ghana into ransom. She held all of you to ransom. What did you say? Media men, you were standing there for more than 6 hours. She held you to ransom. To come and now use that kind of thing on you and telling you that if you want, you can go. We can have. Yeah, we've handed it.
Dr. Rashid computer no was we dear and you be an ayo about to commissana and wajaje Ghana for a dear come up.
Now was also Korea one and the senior people manukor Wamakasa at Yafahu. Dr. Rashid Tanko computer one no. I Deputy Director of Elections Adema NDC Amanyukuno. Ebra Electoral Commission Kasawi yen one some trot for Edim Komori yen and our parents so Baba Chilem say one more yo na. The kind of say total statistics no. And also one more here at the Electoral Commission Akache yen and each yada one more animu say Electoral Commission can you mabomu not 1 month sa etumiaka.
Madam, Mr. Ofoyaji, you need to help us.
What we are taking is the certified register. But it appears we are holding on to some of the information. Because now you want us to go and then look at this based on what you are talking about. Why not add to that certified, to make it certified? Because it appears it's incomplete. Because the statistics, what it was expected. Because the statistics that are talking, you thought by now, at the other time, when we were given the provisional register, Madam ran us through, and we took a stand, told that this is the total registered voters for the country. These are the people from the regions and all that. And then we give us a breakdown of all this before we were given the provisional register and went away. So they were just people to take a provisional register. These information are not available. So how are we going to talk about the register? As well as we said that we need that information. This should have been the first thing.
I was watching no Anna NPP Amanyokono FM Director of Elections Adema one more Ora Evans ni makonso bo Electoral Commission abaso say adwuma one more yan dey and am ne kwanswa.
I was touched by the opening prayer by the Reverend Minister. Madam Chair, when you opened the meeting, you said it is finished. John 19:30. For us as New Patriotic Party, we look at the CI-21 as amended. Revelation 27:4. And I read, the Commission shall make available a certified copy of the register to the registered political parties, i.e. New Patriotic Party, and any other person that the Commission considers necessary, i.e. independent candidate, not later than 21 days after the register has been certified. We have received this. And we hope that from the last engagement, which was 15th of October, the revised register was 18,772,251. My issue is I don't know the margin as we have on this final certified register. So I'm happy that you are going to be giving a copy of the summary you have, so that if there are any concern, you raise it with me, even though this is supposed to be the certified register.
Opanye payo da bato so de ma NPP Amanyoko ni Ra Evans ni mako.
Enrada Ghana mampeni wachima MP se na danko akufuado ekopie mu ogwai na wakoe no wokuhia na nanoma hemfo aban krache mpenimfo musulimi mpenimfo nyina da ne nante sie nyina ye se mfinhia nwotwe ya Ghana fo edi amano no aso na ni papa na wo ba beda wo no mase na ne nkase mu no osan de aba beto so se ene se wo da asie nyina no agyanka wo da asie nwumira no wo pedi obedi na no wo kan de akere wo no se aba ye kwa akoto na de kye December boso me de etoso nson no enyo bia keke na wose yeto aba no ma no na emom wo bia gidie wo ne mu no kuredi aye no ma na Ghana yedi eda na koma so na wose yeto aba no ema no enye ne ene wosese wo kyena wosese na wototo papa so na wose yeto aba no ede ma no na wo ka no ba bia na na hwe no wo de kire kyiniye amanyoku Frank Kurafo Ira John Dramani Mahama
na Nabakikos se me ba be damose na kan so no boa me ema mamu so no bro ema so na o me beto ye no I da so wo Ghana ha. I came in peace and I'm leaving in peace. Thank you. Me na mo bin cry na nyama mi no bi so wo ho a le pese le bo so kakra yedi kan fifi mantema bindi mo hambo yese me ya ho de bia wo mi ten am mi ti bia ye mano mi ye e ma mo so munya mo chefa. Today 3.5 years later, I'm pleased to announce that the Agenda 11 project is at 70% completion across Ghana. Africa, you will be demanded. Certainly, I must say, I can say, I compare and Ghana for Ampreso, so Babeko second term, or Babedi 1-term president. Only Baba compare. Also, I know this is the most of a sort of view. Now, Ampreso, so Babedi 2-term president, and I'm saying, and you might be here first term, I'm sorry, one more day, it was a failure. That's why he was allowed to go. What failure is? And then about the review. Yet, Candinia, or Cassaya, and you say, yet, Obia, no cry one afar, Obia, Ghana, Ghana, Kumaso, will work all night.
And then he can so having some kind of when you know. I say you will be or can say I say. Or can say I say. No, you can't tell me I'm not no food, or fire, or can you say flip, floor, flip, floor. Can't go anywhere. Oh man. The phobia, the builds and you say aha in the airport. Now can't not someone. Yes, sir. Or Jimmy Madonna. We don't want a leader like that. Somebody who talks from both ends of his mouth is not fit to lead this country.
Ghana man penny na na danko akufado na wote se wo kasa no we na ni na ase ya wo da ase na de kokopiem e o Cape Coast wo de tu dwa nyina atoso we
Mampanya ba de chiro Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so arbontoa awasante mantemu ayana num nto obo ana de ahyehye so dunum mom ya wahwase obetumi aka nsam ama santeman agiedie na eno ada wo kyinimu akokopie mu e wo menhia north ya yahwase wobasa akwankramantemu akwagina wo mekakra akodi dwumaso na wasan so ababato so na adu akopie mu wo menhia north awo na mama ne kasa no ana obaba kyerɛ mu sane ye wonkran na won munya aye airport city no Sanso na kumase nso yebenya bisa na enokura no beboa amadwade atumi akoso enyuma bebu enuma bekoyi afa kumase asantema yankasa abasanso ayekra behwe biem na nso nti Ghana fo asantema rese won beto ba ma no afi na ne suade hu no emra musa
ejuma wo ho a yepese ye yenyewie bridges wo ho airport a esi high yepese ye airport city e wo manhia north ha yepese airport city emamo era imutumi enya infaso enti nyame adom ena yeba airport city yebeye airport mina namidi enim yako negotiate with UK government yenya the facility embassy airport Wakumasi international airport any Tamale international airport enti said ye airport city wa Accra no ye pese ye airport city e Wakumasi ha ebeda menhia enough ha mutuma mi anyame adom met me the president efie watwe mesamba habium abebu akunta achiremo ejuma maye ejuma din amamo mum promote me na me nkoye president of the Republic of Ghana mum mami promotion mum fastiano emami mum fastiano emami mum fastiano emami na me nkikano na eko
Abusiona chasana no mampanya bediache na epestiano. Saya de bemano na wachipa de Ghana kwabo shasase no eso. Sompa chadia yasinyame ya doma wonfa wode maya. Na waka wode ya basan se December ya na ye chew. Yene akonafo wisia nyanka mobro wa woni bie ana ye che ade ama wonom. De wo bia no wokọ sompa nkranza mo wo ho no. Wokọ Ghana Commercial Bank dan mu asompa wo ho no mo a. What a quiet beji. Sompa sunyana subi wo honom sa night market wa. Ana oba kumasia. Sompa ya Benrom Hotel. Say mobile money so ya homa no aya 0598 559 802 0598 559 802. Edini atwa media na say Blessed 4-star. Express Group will say Canada, US, UK, Holland, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, when you know, I wada so anyone is wadin who say to kwanya. Wadoba kwapa. Kumasia Safuleba runabout Accra. Kaneshi First Light 0249 00 0448 0249 00 0448. Kwakwa masita drone niyo aya 3 kwa capsules. Kwakwa masita drone tatashia etu sisi yadye. Ukwakwa no wayam timri nyina siama ho towo. Kwalenak dani heba mistini epidang 0546 107 107 0546 107 107. Sciatica expert ayo 21st clinic. Awusua clinic yi na ba ye. Na washa sciatica se amenne afoforo pinua asua. Ne modern bod na djuma panti tra no wotre na kwaba mu. Wase okokuma se a ahwe overseas junction wo ben Alpha Radio. Wo boase wo cancel quarters court junction Accra. Dome market Sunyana Kranza Tachiman 0540 311311 0540 311311. Pro service. Nyame adma ochena nko awo ene yetu fa ane ye kwa China mamu na nso dwumadie ane ye kwa kodie nti unya entua wo sika na otua ne ntem eye $2,499 o eno ne sika botene no waye tua na ye de akono wo bibia hyemu deda wo tekiti ni ade ehyem ye wachemota mo wo pechemu bia fra 0244 92 4573 0244 924573. Cloud internet and so wow top high. What a love from the shiny musa internet no a general chira benya and ketwa Wi-Fi, digital security locks, web hosting, and CCTV camera. Then you obey install be at the amount 0202 699 110 0202 699 110. I will show you pensuanum. Your bani akachino idiatoso.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu de bibidro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Prekese ye aduaba wonwaso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hia yi pa. Enye prekese nko nuaba ne nhaban bi te se kwawunsuso a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa. Prekese ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de ye prekese powder. Prekese powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban. Afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho. Fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre. Anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wabra wadidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekese powder aduane san yedru FD ahwehwe san kratu mu agiatum
Hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa abrochu
Kwaku afeina me beko me nkrata krani
ene me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otuadi mu sa no
Oh Express Group adjournment according to IF4 opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mind be to say Canada US Australia UK and Germany say a tour na say visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai Canada US Australia and Germany mo am pese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi do wako Dubai Qatar and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more much show for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Anyo, said ya friend said ya nante fa montene so. Na ya trete ya pom. A freeway Sompa FM 98.9. Sunyani sabaka ya way. Na ya nante trete ya pom. Enti on the 9th of November, ya nyina ye hiem anopa no num ewo post office. Na ya nante afa tunyan amontene so. Ya be pie coronation park. Na ehon ye dura ye abiba up eni abiba down. Abekoso. Meche eya aerobics. Ye nyanim difo a o me kasa che wa pomdi ho. Enti shade so say Danny dear, my pabua ready. Adi pound for, bank for, for, and a political parties in Sadano, Goloma Shifaya ready, Yama for Beba, a fete boom, the best DJs, Amamonyon Pa, a peace walk. National said, 90 away, they are trenching Yapom at Yako 7 December, Akotwaba, a Yasum Bianqua, a Boafoni 3A core capsules, Miso fruit juice, 5G drink, Frimp of Vibes Recording Studio, Anna 21st Clinic. Walk with Sompa, Nantibio, Natinetine Wapom. Oh, darling, you are always on the
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Enokre eketiane de papa pa eba. Ya no wase na yemu amu na yentoa ensem no nso. Mede okọ atifi epoe mantan no mu. Na tuapa mu edema wosona manyoku. Yewura Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe. Watoa nananom a ewo afa ho ene wo no akwa kodi nsa wo so na afi ogusu anso eda wo mo ase sanse mpotem ho na Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ofiri na wokoe no wokọ mampurugu hene ho na yiri na Bohagu Abdullahi Shariga eho na wode tu nane nse no kwasem wɔn ma bɔ mmɔden paa sɛ wɔn ma wɔn obi a wɔka no korɛ na wɔnim de na wabɛn paa ɛwɔ amamuo mu wɔka ɛde akyerɛ sɛ Adagye Mahmudu Bawumia na ne nkasa mu a wɔkasa nyinaa no na wɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔn nso abɔ abɔsoɔ sɛ nkunimdie pono no wɔn bebie ɛde ama no nti bibia yɛ so yɛ ne tiri na ɔde bɛsi fam koraa ma nkunim ayɛ Adagye di a wɔbɛyɔ.
Your Excellency, the incoming Vice President, Ministers of State present, the Governor is very grateful that you are here today. And more so, you've come to present yourself to him as a son and asking for his blessing. He cannot withhold his blessings from you because he has heard the way you fought for him, the way you stood by Bawumia when everybody said Bawumia didn't have the backing, he didn't have the people to be able to run this for presidency.
Eno na yiri kasa mafo na ache se na wo kasa na wie na Dr. Matthew Poku Prempedi tudwa ache se ne konkura na wo so odisi ho na Adagye beye mampani a wodi besi.
I see myself as a son and a true son. So coming here is coming home. I do know that already I have pledged to support my senior brother. And we from Ashanti would make sure that my senior brother, Dr. Bawumia, becomes the president of the Republic of Ghana. Elder son must enjoy before the younger one. And the younger son must serve the elder brother. People may not understand that the Mampugu and Ashantis have been the same for a very long time. And it will continue to be so. So it is time that the president of the Republic of Ghana must come from the Mampugu land. The best person in the country now to lead us forward is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Every time God brings his own to lead the people.
Ewie na de wagina osona na mu ewo mpotem ho nso edne de etwa ato.
The next Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, is an original chairman of Baba Yusuf Obambekwa, is the collect members of Parliament, is the Deputy Chief of Staff, is an collect parliamentary candidates. Nalele Gudama, and then of Eastern Zanadema, that is also Opushia Pam, Sudaman Zalatoa, and Kuzala Padam Fawlington, Nalele Gukambaga, and Fawlington Walwali, and Fawlington Yo, and Fawlington Bunkurugu, and Fawlington Chiponi, and Fawlington Yava Kumpore. Needed to have the president, the president parliament devotee, the president parliament devotee, and that's all in Bawumia, Kazuna, Katinyang implemented free.
Wano ene gyina mu ewo afa ho se wo monto aba mo nkomra hye badwafie ewo osunu mu bio na ache se wo kire de nti a ewo se wo moto aba ne yie ede ma wo sono.
I would say a quamano so na yana maniboni Manuel Sakwadi Aquakodi and Quamo. Na Manaboya and Saka Tressa, and this Panyapaya or so become a soldier fear a war as Santiachem North. Ora Kofi Asamuane Papai, Nekokua Pines and Katuakura. Ninana yasa or Hena Kwame from Pong. Ya the radio station and the salt FM Papa Warasa or Beko Quantum Cre. Now a Prima Soldier Kunyani be our Santiachem North Honmoa. Just at Nemanfuano, Wafa, one more Muya Juma was what FM no. Papa no said one more Casana, one more Kaino, a Tiano who said one more good hoofy pa. Na Yakwa Manasona Yakwa could do more at your phone. Imama Hai. Hello, Martin and Camo home. Sakwadi Amahai, what you mean, can? Sakwadi, you. Mo na abra panyi kodu sort of from no na was a say yanka saboy mwai
sure another pay na sort of omuju media omudi an morning show no and ja wa we no said odi kaka no he kwam frempon ono na sort fm ne ya dia ono gyinamu say content independent candidate na omudi djuma no ana ya omoko kan no wo so say omonya na ntie say ye Chief Kofi Asamoah Ogyinamu Edima NDC Amenyuko no ono na ko lawyer and the appeal could be member of parliament Edima Santiatim no for now so ne gyinamu MPP Amenyuko no akwa gyina ho electricity poles and afi kanisi kan 5 billion eno na chief no efre ka che na dwen say ensem no mo keka ni nyina o ni na so ene o keka bi drum pa ene chi no ye say wo kɔ hɔ no mo na o kɔ so one mnante a so edi na chi no ekoye basabasa ya no enya senketo akra eno na ano aye den pa tell me no kasa die ensem no akokudu ago police station abrantie ba ko a o ye dwuma o Clement do kire say chief no nkɔfo na po ni nti no de ono so akopie mu o mama no that police report no say ono fa ko hospital eti deja ono mo ye twice ye bisa say allegations no say ono akɔje 5 billion electricity bills no no kra na eno na hosra ono mo sama wo radio champion no so dream so ade de ono so system ono so tie ne mum light post no de any evidence pa ne mum sika samna de eno so ya system ono so tie eti eno yan samo asese ababebe dwa eno akɔyɛ nsɛm bebree wɔ asante atemo atifika no mo ana de akɔkɔyɛ nsɛm bebree eti sabre de police force are invited fanu no nyina nso atɔ ma no asɛm na sa na tie me nuaba
na sa nipa ba ko na ne ho kan kakra o
bɛma ba ko mo fɛn zɛ Clement du ana no no ho kan sɛ ɔmo patapata ne ade akɔyɛ yeye no nam sɛ so bi bɔ wile sɛ ekuti no ɛne mpo akɔpie wo police station
eti ne hefa yo sakwa de ma fa wonsi se dia politifo abam na hwe ba bia bekwa kodra busua wai arama ne boni Emmanuel sakwa de ye gina we so na yode nsam ne nyina asi kokwa veronica jando ya Grace akosua somo abuzi yedam nyina mu asedam ase wo pemu no ankasa ayoro asante yeboa Benedict asonfo benu ene bae akosuya ajewa kwade boaten enemedin mene
Ejapia apam dada
ya so na sompa nkomo atoaso